In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your KakaoTalk app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so you've been logged out for whatever reason, and now you need to log back in. So just open up the app, and then it'll say, welcome to KakaoTalk. So from here, you can either enter your email or phone number, then your password, and then click sign in. But if you've forgotten your password or account, you can click on find account. Then this pop-up will appear, need help with your Kakao account login. So it says here, I forgot my email, phone number, or I forgot my password. So depending what situation, and if you've forgotten your password, just go ahead and click on I forgot my password. A new page will appear where you got to put in your email address or phone number. So just join your email address or phone number, click next, and then what will happen from there, they'll send you out a reset link to reset your KakaoTalk account.